Yo, what's up, YouTube? I want to open a quick 4 all Madden pack bundle. So I'm just gonna open the topper right now because so yes. Okay, let's get into this. These all Madden packs. 4. I always knew he was kind of fast. I know. Stops.
My hairline is.
We already have you. 2, 3. Okay.
Ah!
How do you say your name?
Leo.
Oh, I thought that was good.
Leonis. Well, look at that.
Jamarcus.
Marcus.
Yeah. That's not my guarantee. What?
You've pulled their leaves and everything.
Okay. Since those packs were fire, even though even though we pulled 5K. Yeah. we're gonna pull another bundle. I'm using the wrong controller. Okay. So let's see what we get in this. No, cause I suck at flashbacks. So. Alright, I reset. They're gonna give me. No.
Got that good juju.
They. Okay. Oh man. It's probably like 5K like the other guy. It's the only thing you can do with it, so. Yeet! To Bashad Breland. Is that it? I thought this guy's a receiver, Brandon Marshall, for the Bears.
That
well,
sucked.
yeah, I guess.
It sucked.
I guess that's the end of the pack opening. I mean,
It sucked.
let's ask Chris Harris how it was. It's the worst hairline he's ever seen. So, I want to see you guys in the next video, because this video is really bad, and I don't want you guys to watch this video because it was really bad. And, I'll see you guys later.